Hey guys, so simple way how you can use the Neutrogena on the spot acne treatment. So how are you gonna do it? You just want to clean the skin thoroughly before applying this product. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer 1 or 3 times a day. Because excessive drying of the skin may occur, start with 1 application daily or even 1 application every 3 days and then gradually increase or 2-3 times a day if needed or directed by a doctor. So this is pretty much it, how you're going to use it. Primarily you're going to have benzoyl peroxide, so just be aware of it. And then you want to avoid unnecessary sun exposure and use sunscreen. Avoid contact with the eyes, lips and mouth. Avoid contact with the hair or dried fabrics which may be bleached, and skin irritation may occur. So also important thing to know is that this is just a recommendation. If the moment when you're going to be more relaxed, less stressed out, you're going to learn how to feel yourself again, be with yourself within. The more you're going to face the fears and be in your real life, then I'm telling you right now that this is the first step. The second step is optimize what you eat. There is a wonderful book, Glucose Goddess. So check it out and it can help you regards on how you can understand yourself much better and how you can improve your habits, that the acne is going to be gone by itself and your body is going to heal by itself. It's possible, but not a lot of people are talking about it. So yes, you can use it, go ahead, but just be aware. If you're gonna influence the breathing, how you exercise, what kind of food you're eating, how you're thinking, then the body can start repairing itself. But primarily you just want to be more and more relaxed. We are completely forgetting about relaxation and doing nothing. Try it out.